Dear students, today we are going to start question number 9 of exercise 1A. It's book 2, 8th edition. What is the question? Move on to the question. Two of the vertices of a triangle ABC are 1, 1 and B is equals to 5, 5. The area of the triangle is 12 units square and the coordinates of the point C is 1. By plotting the point A and B on the Cartesian plane and determine the possible value of x coordinate of C. So what we have understood, the points A and B, coordinates of point A and B are given and the point C are not given, and they have provided as the area of the triangle. So first we have to plot the points in the graph. First, A is equals to 1 and 1. 1 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis means on the line of 1, 1. We have plot the point. This is A. Okay. And in the same graph we have to point the points of B. It's B 5 and 5. 5 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. So 5 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. So this is our point B. And what we have to find out, point C to make the triangle. But they have shown that the y coordinate of the point C is 1. Means whenever we write out the coordinates, it is always in the form of x and y. Y coordinate is given, it's 1, but x coordinate is not given. So we have to find out the x coordinate. So we'll use the area of triangle to find out the coordinate of x. But with the coordinate of y, we know that y coordinate is this. So point x lie anywhere over this line. So we know that the height of the triangle would be this, but we are not confirmed with the base. The point can be anywhere over here or over here. The point can be on the positive side or on the negative side. Area of a triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 base multiplied by height. You know that 1 upon 2 would be written as it is. We don't know the base because we don't know where the point would be. The point could be anywhere on the line. So we can't take base. But we know the height. The height would be from B till this line, y coordinate, because we know the y coordinate of C. So we can find out how many units are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 units are over here. So at the place of base, we can write down B as it is, and at height we can write down 4 because we know that the height is 4. So we can easily solve 2 ones are 2, and we also know the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is also given. It's 12 units. So this is 12 units. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So we know that it's 2b is equals to 12, and when we make the b as subject and 2 is multiplying with b over this side, when we shift it onto this side, it would be divided. 12 divided by 2 is equals to b. Then 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So we have written, so the value of b is equals to 6 units. So we know that 6 units can be on the positive side and it can be on the negative side. So we can find 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it can be this point or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Then what will be our final answer? 7. The value of x can be, x coordinate may be 7 or it can be -5. So we have done question number 9 and exercise 1E is also finished. Thanks for watching.